음악, 힐링 있는 공간 헤라키친입니다. 안녕하세요. 헤라키친입니다. 평범하지만 따뜻한 옆집 저녁 식사 이야기 지금부터 시작합니다.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Closing your eyes, I will be beside you, and my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. So today I am time saw you, you were smiling.
안녕하세요.
Always too, you were beautiful, just like you always do. I was thinking that we could be best friends. I was hoping that this would never end. You were skeptical, but I was confident.
고기 많이 줘?
'Cause you were all I ever saw since day one. Oh, you were all I ever saw since day one.
고기 간 맞아?
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 맛있는 음식과 음악, 힐링 있는 공간 헤라키친이었습니다.